In this video, we spotlight two remarkable examples of discipline and determination. Mr. Hazel Haffman captivates with his striking presence. His toned physique and wet-toned chest are the results of countless hours of dedication in the gym. Hazel teaches us that true strength grows workouts. It's about the commitment behind every workout and the choices we make to stay on track. His confidence shows that embracing our individuality can inspire others to do the same. Number 2, Mr. Victor Vivone, the charismatic Brazilian execute. Charm and energy, his strong sculpted body symbolizes resilience and passion. But his spirit is what truly stands out. It's a testament to the power of resilience. Victor exemplifies the harmony of strength, positivity, and reminding us that fitness is a lifestyle and a journey of continuous improvement. Together, Hazel and Becca illustrate that greatness is not achieved overnight. It stems from self-belief, discipline, and the ability to keep moving forward.